Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. If you're new here, my name is Mezi and I make videos on plants and sustainable living. In today's video, I will be talking about lithops and my experiences in growing them. So as you can see on the screen, I am mixing a soil mix, which is a regular succulent mix with perlite and sand, and I'm adding extra perlite so that it keeps the soil well drained and also makes the soil lighter. Since lithops will not require much of organic matter, so it's best to add extra perlite. I've also noticed a few people use bonsai mix, but since I do not have the resources, I am going for soil, and I've been using this medium for the past 2 years and it has worked fine for me. So as I go on, I add extra perlite to the soil mix. Lithops are also known as living stones or flowering stones because they mimic their shape and size and color of the stones, and even in their natural habitat they grow around stones to protect themselves from animals who would want to eat them. So it's a very interesting plant, and few of my friends call it butt plant or even brain plant because it looks like brains. Anyway, it's a very interesting plant and I love having it around. So lithops inhabit in this very dry place in southern Africa. It grows in places where they receive very less rainfall and in extreme conditions. So that itself speaks that this plant does not require water as much as the other succulents. So when you look at it, since it grows in a place where they receive very low rainfall and they depend their source of water through fog or mist. So yeah, it's important that you keep your soil very dry, or if you stay in a very humid place, it's important that you use inorganic matter. So you can use a gritty mixture for the lithop. There are a lot of species of lithops, and over the years there have been a lot of hybrids and cultivars, and since I don't know the exact ID of this lithops, I will not be discussing them in this video, but I will be repotting the similar colored ones in this terracotta pot, and this green ones I will give them a separate pot of their own. I've had this lithops for almost 2 years now, and a few of the other smaller ones I got it recently. Lithops, they flower when they're matured, so if a lithop is over 3 to 5 years old, they'll start flowering from the middle. They also tend to break from the middle and grow into a new plant, so during that period of time you should avoid watering, and also avoid watering when they're flowering. I barely use any fertilizer for this lithops, so in my experience I don't feel the need to feed them regularly. This is an example of a lithop that is shedding its old shell to form into a new body. So what I generally do during that period of time, I avoid watering the plant and allow it to fully shed the old shell and completely dry. I usually use pebbles as top dressing for lithops, as they give a very natural look to them, and today I've run out of pebbles, so I'll be using whatever was left from the previous pot to this terracotta pot. So that was the repotting video and my experiences with lithops. So I hope you all enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, don't forget to hit the like button, and if you're new here, do consider subscribing to my channel for more such contents. I'll see you all in my next video. Take care. Bye bye.